Here I will explain how the system will generate the HVAC system. So first of all, you can go to choose in the ceiling plan in mechanical, okay, HVAC. So after that, you can go to choose in the system and choose the air terminal. We have a air terminal three type of one is exhaust and return and supply. So first of all, you have to choose the supply and don't forget you have to make it the height of the uh, supply diffuser. I put it around 2200 and I can place it somewhere here and another one I can place it somewhere here. Another one I can place it somewhere here. Okay. And the same time you can go to choose the air terminal, choose the rectangle, sorry, return the return diffuser, choose it 2200. As usual, you can apply like this. When you choose these two, you can find out the different. After that, go to choose the mechanical equipment. Choose it one VAV box. This one also don't forget the height of the element. You can just press tab key and you can rotate it. Now you can go to choose right click browser system browser. Now you can go for the unsigned see because this is not assigned now. So we have to assign these things. So you can go to choose first one supply, choose the duct. This is supply here. Okay. After that, you can go back to system, edit system, add system, one, two. Go to select equipment and apply. Now what happened? It's all connected to here. So just select again, go to generate layout, go to setting because we have two levels. Main VAB box is 3500. So I can put it the 3500 height. Here also I can make it the flexible rounder. Here you can go for your network. Which one is possible you can take it as you wish. Okay. In case you just apply this one. Now if you want you can go for edit and you can just drag it. You can design. After that you can just go for apply. The system automatically generate this thing. You can go to choose return duct. Okay. Edit system. One, two, equipment. Apply. Same thing you have to do it again. Go to choose the layout. Setting should be main and branch. Flexible. Find it. Which is the best way. Okay. Any options? No. Apply. System will generate it. Here you can go to select the box, the folder. You can find out all the details. The system will generate it. Now you can go to choose System automatically generate the layer.